Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy language flashcards with Quizlet, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy language flashcards with Quizlet, first, create a Quizlet account if you don't already have one. Visit the Quizlet website or open the Quizlet app on your device. Click on the Sign Up button to create an account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you'll land on your Quizlet dashboard. Locate the Create button, usually found at the top of the page. Click on the Create button to start building your flashcards. You will see a blank set titled Untitled Set. Enter a title for your flashcards that reflects the language and topic. In the Terms section, input the language vocabulary words or phrases. In the Definitions section, add the corresponding translations or meanings. To add more flashcards, click on plus Add card for each new term you want to include. Customize your flashcards by adding images or audio if desired. Remember to review your entries for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, click the Create button to save your flashcard set. You can now share your flashcards with others by clicking the Share button. Choose your preferred sharing method, such as email or social media, to distribute your flashcards. To study your flashcards, find your set on your dashboard and click on it. Explore the various study modes available, such as flashcards, learn, or test. Select the study mode that best suits your learning style. Feel free to revisit and edit your flashcard set as you progress in your language learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.